Hi students, welcome back to Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope you all are fine over there.
In the previous sessions, we have discussed about sole proprietorship, joint Hindu family business and partnership as different forms of business organization. You must have noticed that while there are many differences among them in respect of their formation, operation, capital contribution and liabilities, there is one similarity that they are engaged in business to earn profit. However, there are certain organizations which undertake business activities with the prime objective of providing service to the members. Although they also earn some amount of profit, but their main intention is to look after some common interest of its members. These organizations are known as cooperative societies. The word cooperative means working together and with others for a common purpose. Now, let's discuss about the meaning of cooperative societies. A cooperative society is a form of organization wherein persons associate together voluntarily on equal basis to further their common interest. And it is compulsory required to be registered under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. A minimum of 10 members are required to form a cooperative society. The capital of a society is raised from its members through issue of shares. And the main features of cooperative societies are: the first one is voluntary membership. The membership of a cooperative society is voluntary. A person is free to join a cooperative society and can also leave any time as per his desire. There cannot be any compulsion for him to join or quit a society. That means the membership is open to all, irrespective of their religion, caste and gender. And the next feature is legal status. A cooperative society is a separate legal entity which is distinct from its members. Registration of the society under the relevant act is necessary, which gives it a status of distinct identity. Thus, it can hold property and carry on activities in its own name. It can sue others and it can be sued by others in its own name. Besides, joining of new members or leaving of existing members does not affect the continuity of the society. And the next one is limited liability. The liability of the members of a cooperative society is limited to the extent of the amount contributed by them as capital. Thus, the maximum risk of members is limited to this extent. And the next one is control. The ultimate control of a cooperative society lies with its members. That means the power to take decisions lies in the hands of a elected managing committee. Members make decisions on the principle of one man, one vote. That means the right to vote gives the members a chance to choose the members who will constitute the managing committee. Another important feature of cooperative society is service motive. The basic motive of forming a cooperative society is providing service to its members through its activities rather than earning profit from these activities. If the society earns profit, it is distributed among the members as dividend in conformity with the bylaws of the society. So, these are the main features of cooperative societies. Now, let's discuss about the main merits of cooperative society. The first one is equality of voting status. A cooperative society works on the principle of one man, one vote, irrespective of the amount of capital contributed by the members, which brings equality in its member status. And this also generates a cooperative spirit in the members. And the next merit is limited liability. The liability of members of a cooperative society is limited to the extent of their capital contribution. The personal assets of the members are therefore safe from being used to repay business debts, and this relieves members from the burden of bearing risk beyond a limit, and it makes them enjoy all the benefits of the society. And the next merit is stable existence. Death, bankruptcy, or insanity of the members do not affect continuity of a cooperative society because it is formed under a legal act having separate legal identity with an assured existence. Therefore, it continues in spite of change in members. And the next merit is economy in operation. The members generally offer honorary services to the society as the focus is on elimination of middlemen, and this helps in reducing cost. The customers or producers themselves are the members of the society, and hence the risk of bad debts is lower. Another important merit of cooperative society is support from government. In many types of cooperative societies, the government provides assistance of various types, such as loans at lower rates of interest, grants, taxes, etc. Because of such assistance, benefits accrue to cooperative societies which ultimately benefit the members. Another merit of cooperative society is ease of formation. A cooperative society may be started with a minimum number of 10 members with no limit on the maximum number of members. The registration procedure is also simple, involving a few legal formalities under the provisions of Indian Cooperative Societies Act 1912. So these are the main merits of cooperative societies. Children, now let's discuss about the main limitations of cooperative society. The first one is limited capital. Cooperative societies tend to have limited capital as the capital is raised from members only. That means capital cannot be raised from the general public. Thus, the capital remains limited, which may put restrictions on achieving the objectives of the cooperative societies in many cases. And the next important limitation of cooperative society is inefficiency in management. Cooperative societies are unable to attract and employ expert managers because of their inability to pay them high salaries. Besides, most of the cooperative societies work with a non-competitive spirit because these societies are formed on the premise of mutual cooperation and not for competition. And the next limitation of cooperative society is lack of secrecy. As a result of open discussions in the meeting of members as well as disclosure obligations as per the Societies Act, it is difficult to maintain secrecy about the operations of a cooperative society. Thus, there is no secrecy of information and the society may not keep their sensitive information secured. And the next limitation is government control. In return of the privileges offered by the government, cooperative societies have to comply with several rules and regulations related to auditing of accounts, submission of accounts, etc. And sometimes even political pressures are put on the working of cooperative societies. And another important limitation of cooperative society is differences of opinion. There may be difference of opinion among members which leads to generation of conflicts among them. Such conflicts are injurious to cooperative societies. So these are the important limitations of cooperative societies.
So students, I hope all of you understood the concept clearly. And please note that the related URLs, notes of the lesson and test paper are also attached along with the class. Make use of these available materials. Study well and attend the test paper without fail. That's all for today. Thank you.